Okay, we're going to look at the difference in rear hub bearing noises. This happens to be a 2007 Buick Lucerne. I was getting a rumble. It sounded like it was coming from the trunk. And I said, well, let me look at the rear brakes. And I said, well, I'm going to go get new rear brakes and put them on there. And while I was in there, so I'm in the middle of this, I go to the first wheel, which happens to be the passenger side, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, again. Okay, so we've got some noise, but is it enough? Is it, what's the difference? So I go to the other side, take it apart, and here's the other side. No noise. Very quiet. Obviously, that first one was very noisy and I'd like to replace it. So I'm going to try to get one or maybe two. Have a nice day.